Hey folks, so here I have my GoPro Hero 12 Black. It's currently in the media mod, just in case you were wondering why it may look a little different. This is my first GoPro, I've been loving it. One of the big convenience factors that I like with it is the ability to switch between various presets that I have created. This just saves me so much time when I'm out and about, and so today it's a simple thing. I want to explain to you how you can use it. So in order to make the most of using presets, we need to change one setting first. To do this, head into the main menu by swiping down from the top of the screen, and you want to head over to the controls section, which by default is set to the easy setting. You want to change this over to the pro setting. This will give you far more flexibility in adjusting things to how you would like them. After that, you can just tap the power button, which also serves as the mode button on the side of the camera in order to head back to the main recording screen. So at the bottom, you will see the large button pill, which has your current recording mode in. For me, this is in video, so I'm going to go ahead and tap that icon now, and that will bring us into the presets window. I've deleted my presets, I'm going to make them again, but for the purposes of this video, I wanted to keep things looking simple. And all you need to do is click on the Create New Preset option. And this will give you a whole bunch of options so you can create the preset you need for your recording. And this starts with selecting whether you want standard or HDR mode. If you do select HDR, then some of the options will then disappear because HDR is only compatible with various resolutions and aspect ratio. But you can save pretty much everything into your preset, including the aspect ratio and resolution, the frame rate, and further on down there are some more advanced options so that you can adjust your ISO rating, your shutter speed, your white balance, and as I say, pretty much everything that you need. Once the settings are how you would like them, just hit the tick button here and you will be prompted to choose from a selection of names for this preset. Just confirm the name and you can choose this preset then with all the settings as you have them whenever you wish. If ever you want to edit a preset that you have previously made, head back to the list of presets and you can see on the right there will be the slider icons. Now if you are using a GoPro 8 through to GoPro 11, this will in fact be a pencil icon, but it amounts to the same thing. Click the icon to be taken back to your settings in order to adjust them for that preset. And finally, if you would like to delete a preset that you have made, again head back to your list of presets, tap that pencil or slider icon to go into the edit mode and scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will see the delete button. Click that and the preset will be removed. That is all there is to it. A really simple feature, but in my opinion, one that adds a heap of convenience to using my GoPro. So hopefully this quick video has helped you guys out. If it has, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for further tips like this going forward. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.